Hi, I'm Lawrence Massa, President and CEO of the Minnesota Hospital Association, which represents 144 hospitals and health systems throughout our state. This year marks a special time for the March of Dimes. It's the 75th anniversary of the organization that brought us the polio vaccine, helped stamp out rubella, pushed for regionalized newborn intensive care, and funded the development of life-saving treatments for premature babies. For Minnesota hospitals, the care and safety of our patients is our highest priority. Each year, more than 66,000 babies are born in Minnesota hospitals. We want them all to be healthy and strong. The best way to ensure that is to make sure they're not born too early. That's why I'm chairing the March for Babies this year. Please join me in walking to help the March of Dimes prevent premature birth and birth defects. Let's all march for healthy babies.
We never expected to have an early birth for our child.
We thought everything was going well. I had done the course, I'd been seeing my doctor, I took prenatal vitamins, so we were very shocked.
When you imagine giving birth, you think it's going to be the happiest day of your life, but it was actually the scariest day of my life.
It almost seemed kind of hopeless at times. You just couldn't imagine someone so small and so sick could make it, and then the next thing you know, she's thriving. It was wonderful.
I wouldn't be fortunate enough to have my 2 living children without the work that the March of Dimes has done.
March for Babies!
We are here to support March of Dimes because they really helped us through one of the most difficult periods in our lives, just with giving us hope.
It's so important to understand that supporting this is literally saving lives, Kids that are born too premature can die, they can have lung issues, they can have intestine issues. We need to figure out how to get these babies staying in the bellies longer, and the March of Dimes is the only organization entirely dedicated to having healthy kids born and healthy kids stay alive.
You know, we got our friends involved, our family involved, you know, our coworkers got much more into it. Because we can say, hey, look, we were able to keep these babies in until 35 weeks because of work that the March of Dimes does.
It's an amazing feeling to look up that street when we're walking up that hill and see all the families ahead of us and all the people behind us, and just know that they're all here for the same cause to help save babies' lives. It's a really remarkable feeling.
We had twins given life-saving surfactant therapy developed by the March of Dimes. And after about a month, our daughter Kayla was able to come off the ventilator, but our poor Dylan was not able to. Today, she's a happy 6-year-old, and she's in kindergarten and has not presented any long-lasting complications.
I don't think that it's necessarily real a lot of times when people get involved with charities, but the March of Dimes is a charity where we have a reminder of what the March of Dimes does every single day.
Every year, the Farmers Organization just looks forward to our kickoff in March for the March of Dimes. And we really take it almost as an annual approach now. It's truly an incredible opportunity to be involved with such a great organization.
It's really rewarding to know that a lot of the money does go to research. Research is important to us.
Cigna is really proud of its 18-year relationship with the March for Babies and March of Dimes and the $25 million we've raised.
Paula was born premature.
And we started walking when I was like 2. And in the past couple of years, I invited my friends to start walking, and then we started getting our family to make donations. We set up a page on the March of Dimes website, and I send out emails to them, and March of Dimes website is really convenient for that because you can just enter it all, and the address is saved and everything.
On the website, you can set a goal for yourself, and I think when people see a goal, they say, wow, we really want to help them reach that, or even go farther than their goal. So I think having a goal and setting it high and for yourself to have somewhere you want to reach, I think is helpful also.
We raised close to $4,000 this year.
This year will be the year we passed $50,000 raised for the March of Dimes, so we're very excited about that.
Team Kernan has raised $75,000 this year for the 75th anniversary.
That was our goal.
Yep, and we have 75 walkers.
Yeah, this is a great event. I mean, we as Kmart, we have done it for 29 years actually this year, and we have reached the $100 million mark. This is unbelievable.